Rockers, please subscribe to the channel. This video I'm going to show you how we converted a 21 passenger bus to a mobile boutique / party bus. 47,000 original miles, engine sounds great.
Can't. But this was definitely a cool deal I snatched. So let's see how we turn this up.
That rim, yeah? You give me a rim. Y'all. About to go down now.
First thing, seats and shelves. Gotta go.
We go right here. Gotta double it out. Me going up in there. This is it right here. It's been gutted out. Took the chairs out. Gonna take the panels out later today. Nice little deal. Yeah. There you go. Love being on camera.
Now put the hooks on the wall so we can hang the merchandise on. I thought it'd be cool to put some writing on the wall. You know, bring it out a little more. Get a little flashy so you can draw some attention. Floors, had to go. I got this side of wooden benches. Might look a little rough now, but it's gonna come together with a gift for my brother Geeky. It's gonna go right here and it matches perfect. Lot of 10. That's it right there. This is Brother Geeky gift right here. It's a great gift giver. And then right there hits this off right here. That was right there. Ha! subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Share this video if you like. For the outside, definitely did the switch up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching the channel. Hopefully, I'll see you again. Got a lot more videos coming up. Got my eye on another one actually. Another bus that is. And some live events off the party bus.